In an old part of the city, there was a small shop where Owen lived with his beloved daughter, Zara. Zara, who was 6 years old, was the world to her dad. Owen was a simple and hard-working craftsman who made and sold beautiful wooden toys. Zara's innocent laughter filled the small shop with color. Every morning, when Owen started working, Zara would sit on a small chair and watch him. She would pick up small pieces of wood with her little hands and hand them to her dad. Owen would lovingly pat her head and explain the intricacies of his work to her. Their bond was like a priceless treasure. Zara loved listening to stories. Every night before going to sleep, she would insist her dad tell her a new one. Owen would narrate fascinating tales from his memory about brave princes, talking animals, and magical worlds. Zara's eyes would widen with wonder. Once, there was a painting competition at Zara's school. The theme was, "My Favorite Person." Zara drew a picture of her dad, in which he was smiling and holding an unfinished toy in his hands. She filled the picture with colors, and also wrote a few sentences about her dad. When the competition results were announced, Zara's painting won first prize. She jumped with joy and went straight to her dad at the shop with her prize. Owen looked at his daughter's painting, filled with the colors of love and affection. His eyes welled up. These were tears of the pride a father feels at his daughter's success. Time passed. Zara grew up and became a successful artist. But she never forgot her dad's small shop and his loving stories. She knew that whatever beauty was in her art was a result of the love and encouragement she received from her dad. Owen, too, was always proud of his daughter's achievements. Their story is one that shows how a father's love can turn his daughter's dreams into reality. Now let's go to increase vocabulary.
Craftsman, meaning a person who is skilled at making things by hand. Example, the craftsman carved a beautiful wooden chair entirely by hand. Innocent, meaning not guilty of a crime or wrongdoing. Also means pure or harmless. Example, the child gave an innocent smile, unaware of the trouble around him. Affection, meaning a gentle feeling of love or care. Example, she showed her affection by baking his favorite cookies every weekend. Proud, meaning feeling happy and satisfied because of something you or someone else has done well. Example, he felt proud of his team's hard work and success in the competition.